everybody, I'm Mark Lambert. I'm a 6-time world barbecue champion. And you know why my process works? Keep it simple, stupid. This is gonna blow your mind. I spent a lot of time in Mexico teaching cooking classes.
Okay.
I learn a lot from my Mexican barbecue brothers as well. This is one of the things I've learned. I've had it a lot of times before I started visiting Mexico, and it's called tacos al pastor. We're looking for the perfect balance of flavors, and that's why we win. It's just a dried Guajillo chili pepper.
So this is a powder?
It's actually real whole dried chilies. You pop the stems off, shake out the seeds, and put them in a spice blender. Well, you're gonna see when the smoker opens up and the bite hits the tongue, everything pops in your mouth. So you're gonna get a few flare-ups. You're gonna have some fire come up.
That's char, baby.
That's what you want. You throw cilantro and onions, salsa, yum.
That is a flavor bomb. Oh my God.
It's hard to believe you can get that excited and passionate about a taco.
It's just,
But let me tell you.
You made it yourself.
That's right.
And that's when you're in the backyard and you cook something like this, and this is unbelievable.
You can learn to cook like a world champion today.